In this video, I'm going to be plumbing a bathroom, and if you're new to this channel, my name's Josh. This channel is all about building your own house, saving a ton of money, so be sure to subscribe, ring that bell so you get a notification every time I release a new video, and hammer that like button for me. That's all I ask in return for making this video. So what I did here to make the learning process simple, I drew a little diagram of this bathroom we're going to be plumbing, so when we get in the bathroom and start drilling holes, you know exactly what I'm doing. So this is the most common size bathroom there is. It's a 5x8. That's the most standard size because most showers and shower tub combos come in 5-foot widths, and that's from edge of the 2x4 wall to the other 2x4 wall without drywall on. So it's a true 5-foot wide by 8-foot measurement. Something you need to know for rough end measurements is a toilet needs to be 12.5 inches to the center of the flange off a 2x4 stud wall. Or if you're using 2x6, that's just as long as it's off the wall that does not have drywall on it. Now, if there's drywall already installed, you're going to have to make sure you come off the wall 12 inches instead of 12.5. And that's going to be to the center. And you need to make sure from edge of a shower or lavatory, it can't be any closer than 15 inches in my location. So you need to make sure you're spaced properly away from walls, lavatories, any other fixtures like that. So this is going to be where the lavatory is going. It's 24 inches, so that gives us plenty, 15 inches from shower to shower, or from lavatory to shower. And this drain is going to actually be inside of the 2x4 wall. So we're going to be drilling inside the 2x4 wall, and it's going to go directly in the center of where that sink's going to go. So we're going to be coming off this wall 12.5 inches as well, and that's because we're going to have to allow for some drywall and a little bit of lip for the actual sink itself. So we're going to come over 12.5 inches, drill that in the center, and we're going to put 8-inch apart for the hot and cold. So it's going to be 4 inches from the center of the drain to the hot on the left and cold on the right. So the hot's always on the left, cold's always on the right. And we're going to be putting the pressure lines coming in for the shower over here. Now the toilet, what you need to do, if that's the center of the toilet right here, you need to come over 6 inches to the center of the pressure line coming up, which is the cold water. It's going to supply the toilet with the water, and then it has to be 6 inches off the floor. So you need to keep those measurements in mind, but we're going to be going over all this stuff while we're doing the work too. But and something else I want to point out, this is a 34-inch shower in this case, so that, like I said, gives us plenty of room between. And we're going to have our door coming in over here on the right side of the bathroom, and then this gives us plenty of room in here to move around, to be taking showers or whatever you need to do. So let's go ahead and get started because we got a lot to do, guys. Before I go in here and start drilling holes, what I did here is I went ahead and dry fit the shower base in so we know where it's going to be, so I can drill the hole out accurately. And then right here is where the toilet's going to be going, and right where the drill setting's about where I'm going to be drilling the hole. And then right here is where our 24-inch lavatory is going. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the toilet hole first. So all you got to do is take a framing square. I went ahead and measured over right where the center of the toilet's going to be. So I'm actually about a little over 15 inches to where the toilet's going to be from the shower base. So all I got to do now is take my framing square,